Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial, how to scan channels on Toshiba TV Vidaa. Press Home to access the home screen. Scroll to Settings, then press OK. Scroll to Channel, then press OK. Scroll to Auto Scan, then press OK. Scroll to Rescan, then press OK. Scroll to OK, then press OK. The TV will scan for available channels. When the scan is complete, scroll to Done and press OK. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.